It was far more dramatic than I imagined it would be. It was the pure acceleration, Mach 3 in 8.5 seconds, was completely surreal. But the most impressive thing was looking at Earth from space. Just the pure clarity, was very moving. But without a doubt, the most exciting day of my life.
I was shocked at the things that you feel. Mm-hmm. You are so much more connected to everything than you would expect to be. Like, you felt like a part of the team, a part of the ship, a part of the universe, a part of Earth. It was incredible, and I'm still starstruck.
I'm still up there. I'm not here yet. I'm still up there, and it's just amazing that you can land so smoothly on the runway coming back from space. That was the most amazing. I mean, looking at Earth was the most amazing, but knowing that, you know, you don't have to come pick me up in the middle of the desert somewhere because the parachute landed wherever. But it was so comfortable. It was really the best ride ever.
I'm hoping that I instill in other people around the world, as well as people with Parkinson's, that it doesn't stop you doing things that are out of the normal. If you've got something that's some illness that's inflicted you. So I just hope the good comes out of that as far as other Parkinson's people suffering.